Hello and welcome to What the F*** Just Happened Today, your essential guide to the daily shock and awe in national politics. I'm Joe Amditis. Let's get to it. It's Thursday, September 7th, 2023. Welcome to day 961. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis accused Jim Jordan of trying to obstruct her prosecution of Trump and his 18 co-defendants over their efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election in Georgia. Last month, Representative Jordan and other Republicans in the House Judiciary Committee demanded that Willis turn over all documents related to her prosecution of Trump and accused her of coordinating with Biden administration officials. Willis said, "There is no justification in the Constitution for Congress to interfere with a state criminal matter, as you attempt to do." She added, "The obvious purpose of Jordan's request was to obstruct a Georgia criminal proceeding and to advance outrageous partisan misrepresentations." Meanwhile, Trump notified the judge overseeing his Georgia election subversion case that he may try to move the state case into federal court. That would make him the sixth defendant to file such a motion, joining Mark Meadows, Jeffrey Clark, David Schaefer, Kathy Latham, and Sean Still. Trump now has a month to file a formal notice of removal of the case to federal court in Georgia. Moving on, Trump was warned in May of 2022 that the FBI could search Mar-a-Lago if he did not comply with a grand jury subpoena for the return of all classified documents in his possession. Moments after Trump's attorney Evan Corcoran told him that he needs to comply with the subpoena, a different Trump attorney warned him that Trump is just going to go ballistic if he's pushed to comply. Then on August 8, 2022, the FBI executed a federal search warrant at Mar-a-Lago and recovered more than 100 classified documents. A Mar-a-Lago IT worker, meanwhile, struck a cooperation agreement with Special Counsel Jack Smith's office to provide testimony. Yusil Taveras previously retracted his prior false testimony and went on to implicate Trump and others in obstruction of justice. And finally, Peter Navarro, Trump's former trade advisor, was convicted of criminal contempt of Congress for refusing to comply with a subpoena from the House committee investigating the January 6th attack on the Capitol. Navarro was convicted of 2 counts of criminal contempt of Congress, each punishable by up to a year behind bars and a fine of up to $100,000. Navarro is the second former Trump aide to be prosecuted for refusing to cooperate with the committee. Steve Bannon was convicted last year on 2 contempt counts. That's all for now. You can find the links and sources for all of these stories on the main website. And as always, visit whatthefjusthappenedtoday.com for the latest news and headlines. Until next time, I'm Joe Amditis.